Welcome to a tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up our AI citizens, and it couldn't be any easier. Basically how it works, your local computer will run an AI system and this will connect to your FiveM server, allowing you to directly speak to AI with super fast responses and allow you to make changes. The first thing you're going to need to do is install and download Ollama. I will leave links in the description. Ollama is a free software that is great for using AI locally. It allows you to download multiple different models and you could use it for all sorts of programs. In this case we've made a very simple system where you can just utilize it with FiveM, customize people and characters and criminals, and we have some amazing ideas. We're going to allow it for citizens to talk to AI as well as police, but in this first instance we're just testing things with police and you guys. So go ahead, download in Ollama, install Ollama, and then you're going to be ready to run the setup file, and the setup file will take a while to run. You're going to have to install voices, AI models and all the requirements, and depending on your system it can take anywhere from 10 to 20 to 30 minutes. It is a big project. Once you have downloaded and installed Ollama, you're ready for step 2. Basically the file AI-Peds that belongs on your local computer wherever you run the FiveM application and play your game. In here you're going to see a setup batch file. Feel free to check it before running it. This will install things like Python and all the voice models and AI models required to run the system. Feel free to check things before running things, always best practice. This can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 30 minutes and you may already have some of the requirements installed on your machine. Once you've completed the setup, you're ready to go ahead and start the application and get testing. All you have to do is press the start. This will open up the 2 consoles that are required, and this will get everything on your local machine ready to listen and work with your FiveM server. Let's jump in and test. So now I'm in game, I'm going to show and explain how this works. Here we have a pedestrian in front of me and I'm currently online as a police officer. I just pressed H. When you press H, it allows you to engage with an NPC. Now this basically means they're not going to always hear. Now we had an issue when we were testing originally. We had like a bunch of people, players online talking, and when they'd be talking to each other, all the pets thought they were talking to them. So pets were listening to what people were saying and it would just slow down the system. So for that reason I added a H system which allows you to engage and disengage with any ped. So if I press H now, he's going to walk away, and if I look him again and press H again, he's going to come back towards me, and that's how I engage with all the pedestrians. So I'm going to speak to him just normally in game, so I'm just going to speak in game with my normal button. Hey man, how's it going? How's your day? The first time you speak to these pedestrians,
I'm good, just trying to get home.
The first time you speak to these pedestrians, there may be a bit of delay with their response just as the system boots up. So I'm using my normal push to talk in game, which is N. Can you tell me what your name is, please?
Miles Morgan, usually said with less suspicion.
So his name is Miles Morgan. Okay, Miles Morgan, where are we right now? What is the street name?
We're on Vespucci, BLVD, in Little Seoul.
Yep, so he got that correct. He knows where we are. I can tell him to put his hands up. I'm going to quickly search you. You don't have anything on you I need to worry about, do you?
Got it, officer. I'll stand still.
So I just did a search on the suspect and he had no contraband. Sometimes when you do a search they will have illegal items. I can also do things like arrest him if I wanted to, and this will place the citizen under arrest. I can also escort him if I want to place him in the vehicle. I can then just press E. So if I'm escorting a ped like this, if I just press E for echo, it will automatically stop escorting him. I can also give him voice commands, so if I had a police vehicle here I could tell him to get into my vehicle and he would just automatically walk into my vehicle. I'm going to release you. Have a nice day. You are released. If you ever want to release a pedestrian, you just tell them that they're released. So you can just say,
officer, thank you.
So just say to them they're released and then they're free to go. So at the moment you're going to have spontaneous and random criminals that appear on the street. They're going to be driving recklessly where you have to pull them over, interrogate them. They're going to be robbing shops, robbing banks, taking hostages, crime, gang wars. There's a lot of things that's going on, and we're going to be tweaking and updating as we go. So, and at the moment only the police can interact with the civilians, and that's for a very important reason. The civilian aspect is a lot bigger. There's going to be lots of things involved, and we've got some really cool ideas. I don't want to give anything away, but everything from like shops and criminals could be interacted with. It's going to be so cool. Yeah, we're really happy with this system. We're doing it baby steps because it's so big. We want to just try and do everything a bit smaller than release everything at once and potentially fix lots of different things. We've been running this system with some closed communities now for the last couple of days, and yeah, it's been going great, really well. We're sure you guys are going to love this. Just having reckless drivers that you can pull over and interrogate and arrest and just do business like that is really cool. So yeah, H is to engage and to disengage with pedestrians. Hold your N for November to push to talk. You can edit all of this in the scripts. We're going to be releasing another update for this in just a few days time, and yeah, I hope this video has helped you. It's a super easy setup. You just download, install Llama, run the setup. You have to leave that setup running. Do not do things on your computer when the setup's running, because so much, you've got to download and install these things. So just let the setup run. It can take a while. If for any reason the setup was to crash halfway through, don't worry, just reopen up the setup and it'll automatically check what you have and what is missing and install whatever is missing. It's super simple. And then once you've done the setup, you just run the start companion and it'll just launch and you're ready to go. It's that easy.